On this video I will explain how to do a cycle mode for a heater for the bunk, for the rear of a truck on a Volvo or a Mack truck, probably a Volvo. So it's just like this. So press on a menu, heater, set, twist it to cycle, set, hours and minutes. Press set again, and I usually do for 6 minutes. So for 6 minutes it will turn on, and then 6 minutes off, 6 minutes on, 6 minutes off, and then press set again, and you're good to go. That there is a heat, and this is the low voltage. So if the voltage will drop down to like 11.9 or something, then it will like beep and will turn off the heater. To turn it off, press menu, cycle, press on the off and set, so it's off. There is also option and auto mode. So basically you set it so it will turn on at a certain time, and I will show it to you roughly how it works. So menu, heater, set, twist it to auto, press set, and you put in the timing that what you want to do for, like it will turn on at like 1 a.m. set, so it will turn on at 1 a.m. So right now 12:41 p.m. at 1 it will turn on. Usually I set it in the middle of cold and hot, and it's like, I would say it's perfect temperature is gonna be. To turn it off, menu, and then set. No, it's need to be a different way. Okay, so menu, and off, set. So everything is off. So it's pretty easy. If you have any questions, just watch it again, or you know what, I will show it again how to do a cycle mode. And this is the fan temperature, but it's for different. It's when the truck is on. So menu, set, twist to cycle, set. This is how many, like how hours, like every 1 hour and 6 minutes will turn on to turn off, but I will do for 0 hours set, and you choose the minutes. So every 12 minutes will turn on or turn off, but I usually like on 6. Press set again, and you're good to go. So it make sure that you will see the heat here, and make sure your ignition is off, because it will not really work. So to turn it off, menu, off, set, and you're good to go.